Warm greetings everyone. This is Harish and this is my IBM project. The topic is AI powered nutrition analyzer for fitness enthusiasts. As you can see, this is the IBM Smart Interns platform. Now let's get into my GitHub repo. Here you can see my team ID and this is my project name again. This is a readme file. Here we have introduction. We have mentioned problem statement. We have mentioned the problem solution. Not just that, we have placed the domain name in a pictorial form. Yes, the beneficiary users are, as mentioned, it is fitness enthusiasts and common people too. They have mentioned some value for society, value for environment and value for business. As you can see, we have submitted all our files on GitHub successfully. Now let's open VS Code. Here we have code for our application building. Here we have different files like templates. In templates we have HTML files. Uploads we have the basic data set, that is images, basic images, which we use for trial and run. Let's go through the page. We built this page using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap. This is our app.py. This is the heart for our application. In this app.py file we have mentioned all the basic routes and we have integrated the model here. Next, let's see the other pages one by one. We have image prediction page, we have image 1.html page, we have contact form, we have about form, and we have 0 HTML for showcasing the result. Next, let's run our application. Python app.py. Yeah. As you can see, we have received a link here. The app runs on localhost. Yes, this is our application. This is our home page. Let's click on start tracking. Yes, this will take us to separate page called classify. We have about page. In this we have basic information about our application. Next, we have a contact page. As you can see, we got an alert here. The contact page is useful for the users. When they face any issue, they can directly mail us through this page by clicking on send message. Let's explore the other page. In this page, the user has to choose the image which they want to classify. We can choose the image. Let's click on orange. Let's click on classify. As you can see, we got the nutrition values here. Next, let's try for other input. Again, click on choose. Let's choose watermelon this time. Open. Let's click on classify. Yeah, we have received the nutrition value for watermelon successfully. Let's run other input. Click on apple. Open. Let's classify it. Yes, we have received the nutrition value of apple successfully. I want to thank my college and ICT Academy for providing this great opportunity to learn. Thank you.